Best morning, my dear students. We are now in the applications of rational expressions. So we will be dealing first with work problem. The situation goes like this. Francis can paint the school chair in 2 hours, and his sister Julia can do it in 3 hours. How long will it take them to paint the chair by working together? Okay? So that's the situation. No? Let me translate it to the vernacular sa Bisaya pa, no? Si Francisco no makapintal sa school chair kanang mga lingkuranan diha sa school, no? Kanang wooden chair, armchair in 2 hours, no? So sa duha ka oras. Pero ang igsoon si Julia, ah makapintal gihapon sa the same chair pero 3 hours ang iyang rate. Ang pangutana, unsa kadugayon mahuman ang pagpintal sa lingkuranan kung magtinabangay silang duha. Tabangan nila pintal. Okay? So that's the situation. Now, in dealing with this type of situation, I have already discussed to you the Polias problem solving techniques, no? Wherein we have to deal with the 4 steps in dealing with this kind of situation. The first problem is to understand the problem. Second is to devise a plan. And third is to carrying out a plan. And fourth is looking back. So we will be using the same steps. So first is to understand the problem. So by understanding the problem, mo na to ako gingon ko kanina, I have translated it into the vernacular or Bisaya para mas mapadali nato. Another one is to write all the given and the unknown quantities, no? So in this case, I have used the tabular form, no? Tabular. And our unknown quantity is the number of hours. The question, no? How long will it take them to paint the chair? So let X be the number of hours it will take the two people working together. So this is the tabular form wherein we have to write the worker, the rate, the time which is the unknown, and the fractional part of each worker. Okay, so money. So for Francis, we have one job, no? Siya. And then for painting the job, this is one. Kaya usara magkatrabahoon. And the rate is 2 hours. And for his part, we do not know. So once we multiply them, the result is 1/2 x or simply x over 2. While Julia, the same job painting the chair, we have 1 and the rate is 3 hours, no? So since they are going to work together, we do not know. This is the unknown. And this is multiplied 1/3 x or x over 3. Next is to devise a plan. So what are we going to do? Okay, this is the plan. Francis' fractional part plus Julia's fractional part is equal to one whole job of painting a chair. So ang parte ni Francis plus ang Julia nga parte o ipuno na diha, mahuman nila ang isa ka trabaho. Mao ang pagpintal sa lingkuranan. Usa ra gihapon ka trabaho, no? Ang mahuman ang to finish the chair, to finish painting the chair. That's the specific. So after devising a plan, we are going to carrying out a plan, no? So we know based from this that the fractional part of Francis is 1/2 x or x over 2, while Julia is 1/3 x. So using this one, we have 1/2 x or x over 2, which is Francis' part, plus Julia's part, which is 1/3, and that is equal to 1. So here we are going to solve for the value of x, which is the actual time that they are going to finish the job by working together. Okay? So we will just use the addition of dissimilar rational expression. So first we find the LCD. So between 2 and 3, the LCD is 6. Both are prime numbers. So kung ang LCD is 6, that is 2 times 3. So ngari, we need 3 over 3. No? In order to become the LCD to become 6. So this is 1 half times 3 over 3x para mahimong ang denominator nga 6. And then 3 over 3 is just the same as 1. So 1 half times 1 is just the same as 1 half x. So wala na otro. While on the other side, kini para mahimong 6, we need 2 over 2. 1/3 times 2 over 2 x. Okay, they are just the same nga sa ibabaw ha, which is equal to 1. Ano na? Now, in this case, we have to simplify, no? Applying the multiplication rule. So, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. We have 3 over 6 x plus 2 over 6 x equals to 1. So, the dissimilar fraction becomes similar fraction. And in adding similar fractions, we only have to copy the denominator and add the numerator. So, we have 2 plus 3 plus 2 all over 6. Okay? So, 3 plus 2 all over 6 x is equals to 1. So, 3 plus 2 is simply 5 over 6 x, which is equals to 1. Now, to solve for x, we divide both sides by 5 over 6. Maninahita po. So, 1 divided by 5 over 6. So, since ang denominator niya is a fraction, we simply have to divide, no? Apply division property. So, x is equals to 1 times the reciprocal of this one, no? 5 over 6, which is 6 over 5. So, simply, x is equals to 6 over 5. Okay. So, nga repod, dali raman na ito ni makita, no? Kung yun sana pagkuha. Now, the answer will be, both Francis and Julia will can do the entire job in 6 over 5 hours, or simply, kini 6 over 5 hours is 1 hour and 12 minutes. Okay. 5 divided by 6 is 1, and 1 is 60 minutes, no? So, ang mahabilin na ay bungkig nga 1 over 5. So, kung imo divide do ng 1 hour o kalima, the answer is 12 minutes. So, literally, mahuman nila ang job in 1 hour and 12 minutes if they work together. So, we have now the answer. Now, the last part is to look back kung sakto ba gyud. So, using this Devise, no? Mamo ni ato ang Devise sa plan. We are going to check kung sakto ba gyud. So ganina niingon ta 1 half x plus 1/3 x is equals to 1 whole job of painting a chair. So 1 half times 6 over 5, mamo na ang value sa x, plus 1/3 times 6 over 5, is it really equal to 1? Oh, man na to ang question. So, before we multiply, we have to simplify first. So, ang 1 half can be simplified into 2 times 3 over 5, all over 5. And then, we can cancel out 2. No? So, mabilin, 1 times 3 na lang. Over 5. Kanya kinipod, 1/3. Cancel na to ang 3. This is 2 times 3 over 5, all over 5, which is equals to 1. So, makita na to, this is 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5 equals to 1. So, this becomes similar fraction. 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5 is 3 plus 2 all over 5 equals to 1, which is 5 over 5, which is equals to 1. So, 5 over 5 is equals to 1, which is equals to 1, which is true. So, our answer is actually correct when we try to check no? So very important ang ato ang steps in problem solving, no? We use Pulia's problem solving techniques wherein we have to start with understand the problem. Second is to devise a plan. Okay, this will be a very important, no, sa planning na to. And then pag human sa pag-devise a plan, we have to execute the plan, no, that is carrying out a plan. Okay, mo na to basihan unsa na to pag-solve. And after solving, we get an answer which is 1 hour and 12 minutes, or equivalent to fraction is 6/5. Kay the question ko ganina is how long will it take them? So we have to answer it by in terms of hours, no? And after getting the answer, we need to look back to check whether our answer is actually correct. No? So that ends our first problem application or applications on rational expression. Have a nice day.